First at 6, Governor Abbott vetoed more than 50 bills approved by the Texas legislature. Most of them, he says, have unintended consequences.
One of the bills he vetoed would have focused on stopping child sex trafficking in Texas. So why was the governor against the idea? KXAN political reporter Phil Prazan has the answer.
If House Bill 1771 became law, law enforcement would not prosecute teenagers under the age of 17 for prostitution. Instead of an arrest, the officer would take the teenager to a family member or the Department of Family and Protective Services. No one in the legislature voted against it.
Many, if not most people, get into the sex trade between 12 and 18, so they get in as early ages.
In Governor Abbott's veto statement, he worried it would incentivize sex traffickers to use underage prostitutes, knowing they cannot be arrested for engaging in prostitution. In an additional call to Abbott's office, that came from staff experts who do his bill analysis. However, his overarching concern was how broad the bill was, making no difference between people trafficked and people acting on their own. Will Francis from the National Association of Social Workers says the veto puts advocates back another 2 years, and teenagers rarely decide to become prostitutes on their own.
And if they do, it's because they're leaving abuse, it's because they're leaving some sort of terrible situation, it's because of financial issues. I mean, the reasons why they get there are bad enough to where we don't need to criminalize that.
Abbott writes he'll work with bill supporters next session to better distinguish between who is trafficked and who's on their own. Phil Prazan, KXAN News.
Texas does have safe harbor laws which allow judges to let someone off who's been trafficked against their will.
The governor did sign a bill that will help sex assault victims on college campuses. It requires colleges and universities to adopt policies for reporting and responding to reports of sexual assault and harassment. It also gives people who report assaults immunity from some low-level crimes like underage drinking. The law takes effect on September 1st.
A federal judge in Austin is currently deciding whether to sanction a Philadelphia law firm over documents related to an investigation over the Baylor University sex assault case. The hearing today focused on whether the firm Pepper Hamilton ever produced a final report related to the investigation. A former attorney with the firm stated in court that there was no final report. The attorneys representing more than a dozen plaintiffs say they just want all the documents related to the finding of the investigation. So far, no decision has been made yet from today's hearing.